Welcome to Upstyle Bros. In this video, I will show you how to turn off notifications while playing games on Android phone. To do that, from your phone, go to Settings, scroll down, select Apps, select Game Manager if you have, otherwise tap Game Booster. You can also search that. After find it, select Game Booster, select Game Booster settings, press Block during game, toggle on notifications. After that, you need to turn on one more setting. Open Mobile Quick Settings panel and turn on Do Not Disturb option. And that's it. This is how you can turn off notifications while playing games on Android phone. After you are done playing game, revert these settings. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.